Hi guys, welcome back to Grace and Gather Designs YouTube channel. My name is Anna and today I have cute little stocking stuffers to show you. They are available on my Etsy, so I will leave them linked down below for you guys. I have a reindeer and two different Christmas trees to show you, so if you're interested in seeing how they work and how you put them together, then please keep watching. This is how the reindeer start off. They are super easy to get out of this little contraption. All you do is you can use your fingers to push them out. I've tried nail clippers and little scissors, whatever is easiest for you. Get all the pieces separate. I start with holding the body in one hand and attaching, I guess, what you would call the hips with my other hand, and they just slide into the little inserts that are cut out just like that. So it's super simple to put together. You can do it, you can leave it for your kids to do, you can leave it put together and send them to someone else, whatever you want. Then you just want to slide in the legs just like that and continue to put the reindeer together. So as you can see, the shoulders and front legs go on the exact same way, and the head is pretty simple itself. You just push the little ear section in, and then you attach the antlers in the same way. You just want to find the correct slots and shove them in there, and then your reindeer is all put together. This is one of the trees. This one does not have a tree trunk, and it is the same exact principle as the reindeer. You are going to slide the two pieces together to create your tree. And here is the other option. This one does have a trunk, and again, it just slides right into itself. So those are the stocking stuffers. Again, I will leave the Etsy linked down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!